Today we're gonna make a staircase. So I'm gonna show you two different ways of making it. Okay, first I'm gonna show you the hard way, difficult way, because it involves using keys up, right, and left. Okay, so obviously if you guys look at the staircases, staircases are like a bunch of rectangles connected to each other, right? From a visual perspective. So how are we gonna do a staircase? So I'm gonna use a rectangle. So look, guys, to make a rectangle, what do you guys do? You click, you drag your mouse pointer, and then make another click to stabilize the rectangle, right? Right now it's not stable, but if you do the second click, it's gonna make one, right? So the thing is, it is on a flat surface. What if I want to make it upright? To make it upright, sometimes can be tricky. So that's why we're gonna use keys left, up, and right. Okay. So what I mean is here, rectangle, right? So I'm making a rectangle right now, right? If you click on up key or right key, it's gonna allow you to do it upright. You see, I'm still haven't made it yet. But if you click on the right key, it's gonna allow you to make it upright. So this is upright. I'll try it again. This is flat. You want to make it upright, you have to use right key. Right key, you see, allows you to do upright. You want to make it sideways, you use left key. You see, sideways. Does that make sense? Yeah. So use up, right, and left keys to arrange your rectangle, either on the floor, on the side wall, upright, the opposite side. So again, up, right, and left keys allow you to make your rectangle on different planes. What planes I'm talking about? X, Y, and Z. Those are the planes, right? For example, surface, it's an X plane. The upright is the Y plane, and then the one on the back is the Z plane. Now, how do we make the staircase? First, I'm going to rectangle and making it flat. Actually, you know what? Let's make it upright. All the way here, like this. All right. Then you get another rectangle. Again, click here. This time I'm gonna make it flat. So I'm gonna click on up key, and you see I'm making it flat. Then you're gonna get another rectangle here, and then this time you're gonna make it upright. So right key. You see, and you just add rectangles one by one like this. Up. Does it make sense? Mm-hmm. Right key. Just keep adding the staircases. Up. Making it flat. So it might be tricky when you use your mouse pad. Again, click here and then the right key and then make it like this. And then keep adding it. Change the angle once in a while. You see, it's a staircase. All right. Let's continue until we reach the floor. So again, here, up key to make it flat. It's not blocked. You probably misspelled it. If you misspelled, because I canceled the blockage. All right, let's change the angle. Rectangle. All right, hold on a second. Let me finish this. Right key, make it flat. Up key, works now. All right, and oops. And then few more blocks, few more flats, and then we are done. Upright. And just the last one will be, I guess, like this. There we go. Now, I have this structure. If you connect the bottom with a line, just a regular line, look what's going to happen. You see? Staircase. That's the first way. Not sure if it's easy enough or it's difficult, but it's a matter of practice. You have to kind of practice a couple of times. Okay, this is first way. What's the second way? Second way will be slightly different, but relatively easy. All right, so I'm going to make it on the side here. For the second way, I need to make a huge rectangle like this. All right. Okay, make a huge rectangle and add lines like this. So here, look. Let me make it closer. So you make a rectangle and you just add lines like this. Look. 1, 2, 3, 4. So we made the lines across the rectangle, right? So what do you think we do next? Any suggestions? Yes. Right. Oh, I accidentally made it under the ground. Let me move it up. It's been so you see, if you don't have the right angle, sometimes it might come out what's called in different places. All right, so let me move this a bit away from here like this. Okay, here. Yes, Laura, thank you. So we're using a push-pull. So what's the shortcut for push-pull? Letter P. Okay, so click on P and just raise it like this. 1, 2, actually make it a little higher.
That's the middle staircase?
2, yes. 3.
That's the easy one, right?
This is much easier, right? Well, relatively easy. Maybe this is a little taller. This goes here. This goes here. This one goes here. So there are a few more things you need to do. We're not done yet. And this, and then this two are extra. We can actually delete them. We can actually delete them like this. Okay. Now, what do we do next is we're gonna delete these lines. You see this line here? This line in between. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. And there's another staircase. That make sense? Any questions? So take your time and use either way. You either do the 1x1 surface, or you can just make a rectangle, add lines, and push-pull it, whichever is easy for you. So at the end, you are going to, I mean, you don't have to have 2 staircases, guys. You can have 1. All I need is just choose which one you want to keep, and then just have a good angle view, and then add your 3D text name.
Okay.
So here. Rustam. All right, so it's gonna be Rustam. So guys, when you make the 3D, you can arrange the font size. You see, you can pick different fonts here. It doesn't have to be the same. Then you can also arrange the height, make it bold, and text extrusion. You don't have to change this for now. And then when you have it, you're gonna put it here. So sometimes your name might come out very tiny. Mine is little. You see, you don't see it. So just press on S and make it bigger, like this. And just take a screenshot of staircase with your first name and upload it on Google Classroom.